Ako kasing tao, as a born again Christian, and I always pray to God. At time will come na talagang lagi kong pinipray kay God na gusto ko magkaroon ng family someday. At gusto ko ma-meet ang babae na ma-meet ko siya sa simbahan. Cause I would go the distance for you, baby. I'd travel around the world if you would let me. Medyo parang iba yung nakita ko sa kanya. At saka mas amis ako sa tao kasi na malapit sa Diyos at talagang nagsiserve sa kay God. And every Sunday na pupunta ako sa church na yan at doon talaga nagtuloy-tuloy na ang aming pagkilala hanggang sa nag-friends kami. Yun, niligawan ko siya hanggang sa naging kami at hanggang sa time will come na nagkaroon kami ng bunga.
Daddy, thank you so much. See you later. I love you. I'll meet you where the sun it always shines. You're on my mind all the time. We're not wasting this cause you and I we're good together. Oh, you always get me feeling better. I know you stay by my side. You make me feel much better. Cause girl we're good together. Cause you and I we're good together.
Mami, this is my message for you na naway una-una lumago pa ang ating pagsasama at mas una pa yung pundasyon natin sa Panginoon.
I'll say it baby, you drive. Don't stop until it feels right. I'm ready for a late night, running through the stop signs, talking to the sunrise. Watching stars.
Ang Panginoon ang sisentro sa buhay natin sa ating pamilya at patuloy lang tayo na magmahalan at gawin natin kung ano talaga ang mas narapat at mas maging the best pa in the future, especially sa ating mga anak, sa ating anak.
Something in the way you make it easy on me. Knees go weak, playing out of my league. How could I forget the summer nights in 23? Girl, I'm in so deep. Oh yeah, you got me where you want me. You know you got me where you want me. Every minute feeling magic. How you move so cinematic. Always make
Ang nangunguna ay ang pag-ibig ng Diyos. Walang problema, hindi nagpasa-basta kasama natin ang Panginoon. Yun ang po, kapit sa God at stay faith to God.
There's something in the way you make it easy on me. Knees go weak, playing out of my league. How can I forget the summer nights in 23? Girl, I'm in so deep. You know you got me where you want me. You know you got me where you want me.
Today, we are pleased to be here present of all last night, according to the right of our Holy Mother, the Church. Stephen, will you accept her as an awful wife?
There's something in the way